A clogged catalytic converter can sneak up on you, sudden loss of power, poor gas mileage, and that dreaded check engine light. While replacing one can cost you hundreds, there are a few solid products that can help clean things up without heading straight to the shop. In this video, we're looking at the 7 best catalytic converter cleaners for 2025. Whether you're prepping for an emissions test or just want to restore some performance, these options are worth a look. We'll break down the key features, how they work, and who they're best for. Links to each product are in the description below. Number 7. Liqui Moly Catalytic System Clean. Liqui Moly has a solid track record when it comes to fuel and oil additives, especially in the European market. This German brand is well known for high-quality formulas, and their catalytic system clean is no exception. It's designed to target the full exhaust pathway, including the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, and combustion byproducts that can cause sluggish performance and emissions issues over time. What sets this product apart is its high-concentration formula. Unlike more general fuel system cleaners, this one zeroes in on post-combustion deposits that can impact your converter's efficiency. It works with both gasoline and diesel engines, making it a versatile option, especially for older or high-mileage vehicles. That said, it's not the cheapest option out there, and it's not something you'll typically see dramatic results from overnight. This is more of a slow-burn solution for long-term maintenance rather than a quick fix. If you're dealing with mild converter issues and want to try a higher-end cleaner before heading to the repair shop, Liqui Moly is a smart, trusted choice. Number 6. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus isn't a dedicated catalytic converter cleaner, but it earns its spot on this list because of how effectively it tackles the root causes of converter clogging. This cleaner is aimed at the entire fuel system, starting from the injectors and combustion chamber all the way through to the tailpipe. And when carbon buildup is reduced at the source, the catalytic converter doesn't have to work as hard. Techron is a household name when it comes to additives, and you'll find this product stocked in most major auto parts stores and big box retailers. It's well known for improving fuel economy, restoring throttle response, and helping clean fuel injectors. Keep in mind, this isn't a last-minute before your emissions test kind of product. It's not targeted specifically at catalytic converters, but it definitely plays a role in preventing buildup that can lead to converter issues down the line. If you're looking for long-term maintenance and better engine performance, Techron delivers consistent results. Number 5. Solderic Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer. Sitting at number 5 is a bit of a different option: Solderic Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer. Unlike most of the cleaners on this list, this isn't a fuel additive. Instead, it comes in an aerosol spray and is applied directly through the oxygen sensor port or air intake, giving it a more immediate path into the exhaust system. This product is especially useful for vehicles dealing with sulfur-related exhaust smells, the infamous rotten egg odor that usually points to sulfur buildup in the catalytic converter. If your car smells bad when idling or accelerating and you're tired of trying to mask it, Solderic was made with that issue in mind. It works fast, often within a short drive, and can help reduce smells and light carbon deposits. However, it's not ideal for cars with sealed or hard-to-access engine compartments. If your primary concern is odor or emissions related to sulfur buildup, Solderic delivers results where regular fuel additives often fall short. Number 4. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. Royal Purple has been a staple in performance garages for years, and their Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer is more than just a name brand option. It's a genuinely well-rounded product. While it doesn't advertise itself as a catalytic converter cleaner, its benefits upstream make a real difference in overall exhaust health. This cleaner targets the full fuel pathway, including fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. The result? Less carbon buildup reaching your catalytic converter in the first place. Independent lab results have shown that Max Clean can reduce tailpipe emissions by up to 25%, which indirectly supports a healthier, more efficient converter. Max Clean works with gasoline and ethanol blend fuels, and it's as easy to use as any tank additive. Just pour it in before your next fill-up. The only downside here is the premium price tag, especially if you're using it regularly. It's not as aggressive on converter buildup as something like Cataclean, but if you're looking for long-term maintenance and performance perks, this one earns its spot. Perfect for tuned vehicles, older engines, or drivers looking to keep things running clean and smooth. Number 3. Cataclean Complete Engine Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Cataclean has become one of the most talked about options for catalytic converter cleaning, and for good reason. It's one of the few fuel additives that directly advertises its ability to help reduce carbon buildup inside the converter itself, not just upstream components. That makes it a standout pick for drivers dealing with sluggish performance, rough idling, or a check engine light tied to emissions. This EPA-registered formula is designed to work through the combustion process, breaking down carbon and other deposits across the engine, fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, and the catalytic converter. It's compatible with gasoline, diesel, and even hybrid vehicles, making it a flexible choice for a variety of engines. Keep in mind, this isn't a magic bullet for completely failed or melted converters. If the damage is severe, Cataclean won't reverse it. But for early-stage clogging or mild carbon issues, it delivers consistent, short-term results that make it a go-to before inspection time. If you're looking for a cleaner that tackles multiple systems and shows results quickly, Cataclean is one of the most proven names out there. Number 2. CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula. If you're staring down an upcoming smog check with an uneasy feeling, CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula is designed exactly for that moment. This product has built its name as the go-to last-minute cleaner for vehicles on the verge of failing emissions tests. It's not a full-system deep clean, but it's a strong, targeted formula aimed at improving combustion and reducing tailpipe emissions in the short term. CRC's blend works by clearing out carbon deposits in the combustion chamber, intake valves, and fuel injectors. These areas often contribute to high emission levels if left dirty. By boosting combustion efficiency, it reduces unburned fuel and lowers harmful exhaust gases, giving your catalytic converter a bit of breathing room. That said, this isn't built for long-term maintenance. It's a quick fix, not a preventive measure. You're not going to want to rely on it every time. But if your car is aging and you're looking for a simple, affordable shot at passing your next emissions test, CRC's formula earns its name and its spot at number 2. Number 1. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Taking the top spot is a name most dyers and mechanics have had on their shelves for years: Seafoam Motor Treatment. This product earns its number 1 ranking not because it's the flashiest or newest, but because it's incredibly versatile, widely trusted, and consistently effective for keeping your engine and catalytic converter running cleaner. Seafoam works across multiple systems. It cleans fuel injectors, carb jets, intake valves, and deposits inside the combustion chamber. By breaking down the carbon at these critical points, it reduces the load on your catalytic converter and helps improve its long-term performance. One of its standout features is that it also lubricates upper engine parts, something many cleaners don't address. It's usable in 3 different ways: add it to the fuel tank, pour it into the crankcase, or apply it through the intake. That flexibility makes it a great fit, whether you're doing a full system refresh or just trying to improve idle quality and fuel economy in a high-mileage vehicle. If your converter is heavily clogged, you may need to use it more than once. But for ongoing maintenance, fuel system cleaning, and light emissions improvement, it's hard to beat. Affordable, reliable, and easy to use, Seafoam earns its place at number 1. Whether you're after a quick emissions fix or looking to keep your catalytic converter healthy long-term, there's something on this list for every kind of driver. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Which one are you thinking of trying? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more car care tips and maintenance picks.